What up, world? It's your boy Monster checking in. Just taking advantage of a free day. I ain't got no jobs lined up today, and got to run some errands, and then I'm just gonna kick it with the family today. So, yeah. So my rant for today is lowballers. Why lowballers? Because somebody tried to lowball me for my services. And I'm not talking about lowballers like Facebook Marketplace ads or Craigslist ads, or, you know, you posting a vehicle for $3,500, some jabroni says I'll give you $1,000. Like, get the fuck out of here. I'll get to that subject on another video. But, you know, lowballers, people who lowball for either automotive repairs, house repairs, whatever. Clearly, you're calling a specialist because, one, you just don't know what the fuck you're doing or have no mechanical knowledge at all. You got too much time and just don't have the time to do the work. 3, you lack tools and knowledge. So clearly, anybody that calls a specialist for a need that they need, yeah, they can't do it themselves. Let's put it that way. Let's just be blunt. They can't do it themselves. So I get a call about a 2012 WRX, and he's like, "Hey, I saw, I got your number from so-and-so and told me you do good work and yada, yada, yada. I got a WRX 2012. Can you replace the clutch on that?" "Yes." "Not a problem." He's like, "Have you ever worked on a WRX before? Like, do you know what it is? Do you know it's all-wheel drive?" "Really? We gonna play that now?" "Okay, I got you, son." Yes, sir. I'm very knowledgeable about the WRX, as well as many other all-wheel drive vehicles. So, again, we talk some more, and as I'm looking up his labor, he's telling me these prices he's got charged or whatever, or got estimated to him, and I was like, "Oh, that's not a problem. I mean, I understand the shops are gonna, make their money, whatever." And I asked him, I was like, "Hey, you say you got your clutch and flywheel, right?" "Yes, sir." I was like, "All right, cool. And, I got to remove the downpipe to drop the transmission, yada, yada, yada. You got the gaskets?" "Oh, you're the first person to ask me that. Do I really need them?" "Well, yeah, because I got to remove the exhaust to drop your transmission. Or not the exhaust, just the downpipe at least. But yeah, it'd be nice to have some new gaskets. Because I don't want you to call me up and say, 'Hey, there's an exhaust leak.' And I'll be like, 'Hey, you didn't provide me exhaust gaskets.'" I'm not that type of person. Now, granted, if I did the job and he didn't provide exhaust gaskets, I'm not going to cry about spending $9, $10 on a gasket. I mean, I'm just going to go grab myself and put them in. That way to avoid any situations. I'm not that type of fucking person. Like, if I see something wrong, I'm going to address it. And if it's like a $2 to $20 part, fuck it, and then I'll put it in, let the customer know, "Hey, there's a bump up in, let's say $20, because I had to get a seal. No extra labor, just pay for the part. That's all." And 9 times out of 10, people are gonna love that shit. Like, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe you did that. I mean, I really appreciate that." But this guy was just very on the defense the whole fucking time. And I don't know if it's his New York attitude, which a lot of New Yorkers that live here in North Carolina, y'all need to go back. Straight up. Y'all need to take your cannoli eating, greasy, cheesy pizza eating ass back to New York. Get out of North Carolina. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm fucking with y'all. But, nah, for real though. Like, what is it with y'all's attitudes that think you're better than everybody down here. I don't put up with that shit. So, and I told him, and I was very firm with my price, and he goes, can you do it for $500? And I was like, no. I gave you a price. My price is firm. My price is very competitive. And you're already saving $350 compared to the big box stores and dealerships. Well, I got a guy that could do it for $500, but I got to take it back to New York and get it done and da-da-da-da. Well, bring me back a pizza. What do you want me to do? What am I supposed to say to that? I ain't gonna say shit except bring me back a fucking pizza. Like, why? Why the fuck are you gonna lowball? You're already getting a fucking lower price, and you want to lowball even more? No, that's not how it fucking works, people. That's not how it fucking works, people. You know, it's like, it's like me going to Food Lion. Well, before, when I used to go shopping. My baby shops for me now. Nah, when I used to go to Food Lion, I used to see the same cashier every other week, right? Talk to that cashier every other week. Hey, how you doing, bud? Nice to see you again. Da, 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 da. Always talk, always very chipper, and just, you know, providing good customer service. Do you think I'm gonna ask him for a fucking discount or a deal just because I see him every fucking 2 weeks, or used to see him every 2 weeks? Nah. Like, what the fuck, people? What the fuck? So yeah, that's my rant. Like, I just don't get it, because we're providing a service that you can't do, and you just want to lowball. Like, why do that? Why fucking do that? So, anyways, that's my rant. I have another ideas for more rant videos when it comes to, like, the auto repair side of things from customer standpoint and the service advisor, writer, manager standpoint. So if you think this rant was cool, let me know. I mean, if you got a little laugh, I hope you got a little laugh out of it. But if you think I should do this more often, let me know, and then I'll go ahead and make some more videos. But like I said, this was just a small rant. I had to get it out there, and just, like, you know, to people watching this video, think about it before you really try to lowball somebody, especially when you already know you're getting a good deal. That's all. Don't treat people like shit. Don't say, oh, well, I got a mechanic that can do it for X amount of dollars. Go see that motherfucker then. Don't do that to, you know, don't do that to anybody that's providing you a service, because that is the biggest kick in the dick. Seriously. That is a huge kick in the dick. You know? So, yeah. If you like this video, if you want more of these videos, or just want more, or if you have any suggestions, let me know. But I do have some updates coming on with the Celica and Van Wilder. But my main focus, honestly, right now is Rocksteady. I really want to get Rocksteady back on the road and running. The Prism project, I still drive it. I'm just, you know, driving my old lady's car today because she had AC. And it's hot, you know. So, but yeah, you know, we'll get this done. And Rocksteady's going to come out strong. I'm debating whether if I'm going to just throw in another, you know, engine into it and call it a day for a while till I rebuild a 2J for it, Or should I just say, fuck it, get a 2J, build it up, and just continue to drive the prison project and save some money on gas? I don't know. There's a lot of options that can be done. So it's just I got to figure some things out. But till then, I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Later.